Today, you're going to learn how to make a flashlight using Blender in just 60 seconds. And I use this flashlight in a game I'm about to release in just a few days, called The Pipes. The best part is that you can download and use this flashlight asset we create in this video for free. Link in the description. So enough yapping, let's get started. You should first download Blender if you don't have it, which is free and open source. Then open Blender and create a new file. We are going to create a cylinder mesh and drop the amount of vertices down. This will be the base of the flashlight. Then we will rotate it and scale the cylinder on the x-axis to make it longer. Extrude the front face, scale it to make it wider, extrude again, then this will be where the light will shine from. Select the front face and inset it, and then extrude inward. Then we will move on to the back. Extrude the back face and scale it down to create a cone shape. Next we will make the button. We will need to add a loop cut and move it forward. Click the face and inset it, then extrude upwards. Then we will add another loop cut and move it towards the back. Then we will create the materials. One for the base, which will be a yellowish color, and one for both ends, and the button, which will both be a darker color. Then select the faces and assign the colors to those areas. I created another material to make the inside of the flashlight more metallic and reflective, like a real flashlight, and inset and extrude inwards one more time. And let's go! You created your very own flashlight using Blender. You can use this 3D models in renders, images, or even use it to develop some games. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out, and comment down below on what I should create next. Check out my assets and games using the link below. Your feedback is super important, and thanks for watching. See ya.